A warm good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay students, today onwards we are going to start our social online class. And today we are going to discuss about Bangalore and Hyderabad. And we already discussed about Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi. Is it? And today we are going to discuss about Bangalore and Hyderabad. Yes students, Bangalore also known as Bangalore. Yes students, Bangalore is the capital of which state? Yes, Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Is it? Yes, and it is called the Silicon Valley of India because of its progress in the field of information technology. Okay, yes students, the climate in Bangalore. Yes, the climate in Bangalore is very cool and pleasant climate throughout the year. Okay, and the most of its rainfall, the city receives most of its rainfall from the southwest monsoon. Okay, students, the next industry and institutions in Bangalore. Yes, some of the industries are located in Bangalore are National Aerospace Laboratories. The next, Hindustan Machine Tools and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Okay, some of the industries located in Bangalore are National Aerospace Laboratories, Hindustan Machine Tools, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. And Bangalore has many educational institutions such as the Indian Institute of Science and yes, the Indian Institute of Management. Then last, the Indian Statistical Institute. Yes, these are some educational institutions in Bangalore. Okay, and the next, some interesting places in Bangalore.
Some interesting places in Bangalore. First one, Bangalore Palace. Tippu Sultan's Summer Palace. Lalbagh Botanical Garden. Sanki Lake. Vidhana Sudha. These are some interesting places in Bangalore.
Students, the next, language and food in Bangalore. Yes students, majority of the people they speak Kannada. Okay, the majority of the people they speak Kannada in Bangalore. Okay, and the other language they speak, that is English. Yes students, some of the popular dishes in Bangalore are ragi roti and masala dosha. Yes, we all like, is it? Yes, we all like masala dosha. And the famous sweet in Bangalore, that is Mysore Pak. Okay, Mysore Pak is the famous sweet in Bangalore. Okay, next, celebrations in Bangalore. Yes, many festivals they celebrate in Bangalore such as Dasara, Deepavali, Shankranthi, Eid and Christmas. Okay, all of you clear about Bangalore? Yes, the next we are going to discuss about, yes, Hyderabad. Yes, students, Hyderabad is the capital of which state? Yes, Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Is it? Yes, and Hyderabad is present on the Deccan Plateau of the banks of Musi River. Okay, and Hyderabad is nicknamed as City of Pearls. Okay, Hyderabad is nicknamed as City of Pearls. And climate in Hyderabad is very hot. Okay, and the southwest monsoon brings rainfall to the city. Okay, next some interesting places in Hyderabad.
Some interesting places in Hyderabad. First one, Charminar. The Charminar is a very important landmark of Hyderabad. Golconda Fort. Falaknuma Palace. The Falaknuma Palace is built with Italian marble. Sagar Jung Museum. The Sagar Jung Museum has a valuable collection of articles from all over the world. Hussain Sagar Lake. These are some interesting places in Hyderabad.
Okay, students, the next language, food and celebrations in Hyderabad. Yes, Telugu and Urdu are the main language they speak in Hyderabad. Okay, Telugu and Urdu are the main language they speak in Hyderabad. And yes, the famous food in Hyderabad, that is Hyderabadi biryani. Yes, Hyderabadi biryani. Yes, and yes, the famous festival in Hyderabad, that is Ugadi. Ugadi. Okay, Ugadi is a Telugu New Year. Okay, and they celebrate Christmas, Eid, Deepavali. Okay, all of you clear about Bangalore and Hyderabad? Okay. Okay, students, you have one activity. See here, I write some film names. Okay, that is, yes, Trivandrum Lodge, 22 Female Kottayam, Chota Mumbai, Ooty Pattanam, New Delhi, Angamali Diaries, Bangalore Days, Chennai Express. From this name, you have to select and write the city's name that we studied in our last classes. Okay, yes students, we will see in our next class. Thank you.